Now you received this link, sir. This actually video link you received from email and with the mobile number. Once received, just click on the process next level, confirm the details. Just read out your PAN number and name. Then after confirm here. Then second process, choose the eKYC account 6-digit PIN number. Please enter numeric letter 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again repeat 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just update. Once update completed, the subscription process subscriber agreement just process. Click on to process. You got one next pages. The next pages you try to mobile or laptop with web camera. The web camera automatically enable. In case not enable means here one question asking allow video, then allow mic. Yes, allow. Click on to allow. Then again come to the video point. Just read out your name. My name is your name. Then code 773. Then I want to apply DSC through ID sign CA. Completely just reading the first line. After the video, it will be 30 seconds video running. The 30 seconds video once completed, once complete the video, upload the data. In case any problems or you are not successful, video bendings, mistake, again go to retake. Here menus available, go to retake menu. You can start other same video. You can start the video record. Otherwise, upload the data. Upload after you get the one ID. The video was successful. Thank you.